Welcome back to another video. If you are tired, stiff, and you have woken up with no energy, then this yoga flow is for you for your mornings. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and of course, a will to practice with me. So, without wasting any time, let's start this morning yoga flow. Sit upright in any comfortable posture. Idea is to make yourself centered with your breath. Close your eyes if you haven't already and stop making any physical movements in your body, but just be present with your breath. Feel the inhalations and exhalations and let them happen organically. And after 3 to 5 rounds of focused, aligned breath, gently open your eyes and start stretching your arms to the side of the body. Start flapping around your wrists to warm them up before you actually start the practice. Do it clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. And with the inhale, take your hands above your head. Breathe in and out, hands over the head. And then start grabbing your elbows using the palms. Keep your chest open, spine in the neutral form. And with the exhale, release and bring the hands down. Now place the left palm next to your left side of the hip and extend your arm to the side with all the ease. Just open your chest to the right side. Extend the right arm and let it flow with all the ease. As you exhale, bring the right palm down, extend right arm all the way to the right side, and then stretch the left hand over your head and breathe in and out nicely. As you exhale, come down, and then you inhale, put your palms over your shoulder and start practicing shoulder rolls. 5 to 10 rounds from forward, go all the way to back. Make bigger, larger circles. And then from back to forward. Again, make big, large circles. Breathe in and out. And then as you inhale, raise your hands over your head, interlock the palms. Lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, bring both the palms together and start folding forward. Inhale, look at the tip point of both the fingers and exhale, release the arms. Now from here, come on all fours, where your hips and knees are in a line and shoulders and palms are in a line. Feet could be tucked in or out. Stretch the left palm all the way down. And then make a circle. And rotate your shoulder in both the directions. Do the same from the right side. Extend the right arm. And then circle up. Breathe in and out. And start shaking your hips and create a strong foundation for your Marjariyasana. As you inhale, you look up, and with the exhale, you curl your spine and look at the navel. Inhale, extension. Exhale, curling your spine. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, look at the navel, chin to chest. As you inhale and exhale, push your hips back. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, push back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And then, as you inhale, extend the right arm and then the left arm, and let your upper body roll over the yoga mat while being hips up facing towards the ceiling. Now come on all fours again and lift off your knees from the yoga mat and gently press the heels down. Have the strong foundation. And remember to have a better comfortable cushion in your legs. And firstly, you can start folding your each knee at a time by paddling it. It will help in creating extension in the hamstrings. And have very stable, widespread fingers of your palm and start walking your feet, and now try to hold the downward facing dog. Here, fold the knees and gently sit upright in yogic squat malasana. Let the deep squat work on your lower body. Try to keep your upper body, chest up, and shoulders are away from ear. Hands at the heart center together to create the awareness and stability in your body. Palms down, hips down. Use any block or book to support your hips if it required. Now again, come up and stand tall in half way and grab one feet from the other palm and extend. Create the extension in your upper body while twisting it. Change the side. This time do it from the other side. And with the exhale, start walking your hands forward. Bring the right foot in between both the palms. Back knee grounded down. Use wall support and get into a lower lunge. As you inhale, push the knee forward. Centralize your hips, and hands could be at the heart center over the head if comfortable, otherwise over the wall. Breathe in and out, hold, exhale back to heart center, and then release. Now bring the leg back. Bring the left foot in between both the palms. Again, take the wall support and start pushing your knee forward and stabilize yourself. Lengthen your hamstring to have a comfortable cushion on the lower lunge. Back leg stays active, pointed at the back. Hips are squared and centered. Hands over the heart center. And then as you inhale, take it over the head if possible. Exhale, bring it back to the chest. Exhale. Now at this point, stand over your knees to practice Ustrasana camel pose. Toes pointed in. Inhale, right palm goes over the right heel. Left hand extended all the way back. Keep your hips strong, squared, open, chest open. Feel the stretch in the lower body and in your whole spine. Exhale, release. This time change the side. Bring the left palm over the left heel. Right hand for the extension. And then exhale. Take few more rounds of breath. And then eventually when you feel ready, palms over both the heels, chest open, hips pushing forward, knees are comfortable, neck not strained, and then exhale, release. Immediately practice counter pose, child pose. Extend the hands in front of the body, toes pointed at the back. Breathe in and out. And then after 2 to 3 rounds, sit upright. Now extend the legs in front of the body and sit upright in Dandasana. Keep your sit bones grounded, spine straight. And then take both the hands and as you inhale, take them over your head. Exhale, fold forward into Paschimottanasana. Keep your toes pointed towards you. Feel free to bend those knees. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look forward. This time try to grab both the big toes and breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale, continue to hold. Feel free to bend your knees if required, and then with exhale, come up and then release the pose. Now at this point, fold the left leg and right knee comes over the left and place both the feet to the sides. The leg above the knee, that hand goes at the back. So right palm goes back. Look at the back. Create the spinal twist and breathe in and out. And exhale, look forward and then relax. Change side. This time right knee goes down. Left knee come up. Inhale, look back and create the spinal twist on the left side. Breathe in and out. Keep looking ahead. And then as you exhale, look forward and release the pose eventually. Now sit in Vajrasana. Sit upright, spine straight, toes pointed at the back, hands over the thighs, and then eventually fold forward. Keep the palms and extending them in front of your head. Remember to lower down and push your hips down. Arms extended in front of the body. Knees could be separated out to get into a deeper child pose. Now at this moment, your focus is to rejuvenate and just be present with your breath and make all the mental note of how incredible this practice has been for your morning. Breathe in and out. Your chin or forehead might be touching the ground. Feel it as you're grounding and feel it that you are preparing yourself for a strong, determined, calm and better day ahead. Keep looking forward and then, if possible, bring both the palms together and fold the elbows. This will give even more better deep extension on your upper arm. Hold here and breathe and feel how put together, relaxed your body is feeling right after this yoga flow. Tell yourself that it is going to be a great day for you and you are going to show up for yourself and use this practice not only for today, could be every day. And whenever you feel ready, sit back, sit upright, and take 2 to 3 rounds of breath in the calmness. Before you end your practice, rub your palms, gather the energy over your face and hands, and look at the palms. And you are set to start your day with a positive note. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, keep practicing and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.